everybody, welcome back. It's Bjorn with Hewitt Jackson Real Estate, your trusted real estate expert. Today, we're diving into a topic for anybody toying with the idea of selling their home, and that's preparing it for a successful sale. Proper preparation can make all the difference in getting the top dollar and selling your home quickly. Whether it's your first time selling or you're a seasoned pro, these tips I think they'll help you present your home in the best possible light. So what do you say? Let's jump on in. When it comes to selling your home, there are some common repairs and improvements that you should consider to maximize your home's value and appeal. Let's break them down into three key areas: common repairs and improvements, cost-effective tips, and enhancing your curb appeal. Common repairs and improvements, that's first on the list, so let's jump in. Let's talk about some of these typical repairs. Fixing leaks is a must. No buyer wants to see damage or hear about plumbing issues. Check all your faucets, showers, toilets, anywhere that there could be leaks, and make sure that they're not. And if they are leaking, get a professional in and have them fixed and make sure that that does not become a major issue. It might seem like a small step, but believe me, it helps out a ton. Updating fixtures like lighting and faucets can also make a big difference. For example, replacing an old chandelier with a modern, stylish light fixture can transform a dining room. In bathrooms, consider updating outdated faucets with sleek contemporary designs. These small changes can make your home feel fresh without a huge investment. We're talking a couple $100, right? Improvements that add value are worth considering too. I'm not saying you have to do it, but consider it. A few kitchen upgrades, even if it's new countertops, a fresh coat of paint on the cabinets, that can be a real game changer. If you want to get really exciting with it, you could install granite or quartz countertops. But if you want to keep it simple, sometimes just replacing old cabinet hardware like the handles that you pull on and the hinges can really give an updated look. In living areas, refinishing hardwood floors can make them look, really good. Landscaping is another area where you can see a good return on investment. A well-maintained yard can create a great first impression. Planting some colorful flowers, maybe adding some mulch to the garden beds, and trimming overgrown shrubs can enhance the overall look of your property. We want people to have a great impression when they pull up in their car, open that door. We want them to say, "Wow, this is my house." Now, I know not everyone has a huge budget for home repairs and improvements, so let's talk about some cost-effective tips. Affordable staging can make a big impact. Rearranging the furniture to make a room look more spacious and adding some fresh flowers or plants, that can really brighten up the space. Some other DIY improvements that are a great way to save money and kind of capitalize on that investment are a fresh coat of paint with neutral colors like beige or gray or soft whites. They can do a room wonders. It makes rooms look larger and brighter and helps potential buyers envision themselves in that space with their own furniture and their own stuff. Decluttering, I've talked about it a lot, but decluttering is another simple but effective way to make your home a little bit more appealing. Remove the personal items, excessive furniture, and anything that might distract buyers from seeing the home's potential. Another cost-effective improvement is updating your home's hardware. I talked earlier about the kitchen cabinets. Well, you can do the same thing with the doors in your house. You can put some new hinges or handles on there and really give them a modern look. So think about that. Some fresh paint, some fresh hardware. Looks like a brand new place. You might not even want to move. Who knows? Preparing your home for sale, it doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. With these tips, you can make a big impact without breaking the bank. If you want a personalized home preparation checklist, feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me by using the comments below or heading over to bjorntosell.com. I'm here to help you get your home ready for a successful sale. That's my job. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have some great tips to get homes ready for the market, use those comments below and let's get a discussion going. You know I'll be back next week with more great information. So until then, be kind to one another.